Bitcoin struggling at $50,000 resistance, Ethereum slowly climbing up. Crypto and NFT markets are very boring. What can we expect this week? What is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Max here with another crypto video. Please hit that like and consider subscribing if you enjoy the content and you get value out of it. We're gonna have timestamps on the bottom, so if you don't want to watch the whole thing, feel free to move around. We're gonna look at the markets real quick, look at Bitcoin's weekly close, some news for the week, some coins that are going to do well and might not be a bad idea to look at. Also, in the end, we might look at an NFT or two. Let's jump in. So our cryptocurrencies, 15,205. I think last time we looked at it, it was about 20 or 25 less. So congrats, we get 20 more. Exchanges are the same. Market cap coming at 2,282,000,000,000. BTC dominance at 40% and Ethereum 21%. I think ETH dominance went up a little bit, which is expected. As you guys can see, Bitcoin's coming in at 49,266. We failed to close the week above the 21-week moving average, which everyone says it is very important for the health of the bull market. Ethereum's coming in at 4,200, extremely strong. Ethereum's almost back to the prices that it was last week or a couple of weeks ago. Everything else, as you can see, a beautiful sea of red. Nothing's really moving. Only Terra is up 31% for the week. However, 10% down for the day. Not much is really happening in the market, so we're not going to spend a ton of time here. Let's look at the chart. Looking at Bitcoin's weekly chart, I was really hoping we can close above the 21-week moving average, but that didn't happen because we stayed around 49,000. During the dip, we briefly breached under the 50-week moving average, which is coming in at 44,590. Good news is, as long as we're between these two moving averages, it's a great time to accumulate more Bitcoin. So if you're not happy with your Bitcoin bag, or if you want to get exposures to it, you don't have anything, it's a great opportunity right now. As you guys can see back here, after May 19th crash, which we came around and moved around the 50-week moving average, as soon as we held it and we closed the weekly close afterwards, we went up. Same here around 20th of September when we were testing the 21-week moving average. When we had a weekly close above it and we held it, we didn't go below. Look what happened. Boom, all the way up again. So as long as we're below this, chances are we're still gonna trade around this area, which is good time to buy Bitcoin. When we close a weekly candle above it, expect another parabolic run. Very quick, we're gonna look at the ETH BTC chart as well. This one, I was just looking at it and it is forming a cup and a handle pattern. So this one is a very bullish pattern. As you can see, we have the cup and we have the handle here forming, just testing this line right here. If we can again close above this and crush this resistance here, chances are we are going to move to the upside. Please keep in mind, the highest value we've ever had is 0.15 Ethereum against Bitcoin, which again, target for this move is going to be about the same. Usually this move happens in the quarter one when Ethereum moves against Bitcoin to the upside. So my expectation is probably quarter one or quarter two of 2022. Our top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch for this week: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Algorand, and Elrond. If Bitcoin holds the $49,000 level, ETH, Matic, Algo, and Elrond could move higher during Bitcoin's expected consolidation phase. Usually when Bitcoin's consolidating, it's not moving, it's just holding the line. Altcoins start to move. And if Bitcoin's moving up, obviously it's taking all the energy out of the market, so altcoins are stagnant and not moving. Bitcoin and most altcoins sold off on December 4th. Data suggests more than 2.5 billion of crypto liquidations over past 24 hours. This is crazy. Also here it says Ethereum's continuing to gain more ground on Bitcoin because the market dominance is going up and Bitcoin's dropping. Some analysts says Bitcoin's recent decline could result in a lengthy phase of consolidation. They're saying maybe it goes into the first quarter of 2022 and it'll be a slow grind up, which we are expecting. As far as Bitcoin's TA, what we have here is our daily moving averages, 20-day and 50-day. So data suggests the RSI and the 20-day moving average, which is going down, suggests that bears have the upper hand. If the pair continues lower the current levels, the next stop could be strong support at 40,000. So there's always the chance for the downside, but there's very, very strong support at $40,000. Also, if the price turns up the current level, the pair could rise to the 100-day moving average, which acts as a strong hurdle. A break and close above this level is the first sign that we can move up. So basically, you see in this channel that we had a break here, bulls bought it up, so that's a very, very good sign that the support line held so far. And if we can get over this moving average right here at 51,268 and have a daily close above that, that's the first good sign that in the short term we are going higher a little bit. Now eventually we want to have that 21-week EMA hold. Ethereum has been range bound between $48.68 and $3,900 for the past few days. Although bears pulled the price down on December 4th, pretty much the candle bought up to $3,900 and we're right now trading around $4,200. The bearish scenario would be closing a daily candle below the $3,900. At that point, we can see as low as $3,400 for the price, which is strong support for Ethereum. And if we manage to close above the 20-day EMA, and then we can see a move to the upside to the all-time high of 48.68. So for Ethereum chart, look for a daily close above the 20-day EMA, which is 43.26 right now, but it is coming down because it's on a downtrend. And if we break below $3,900, then look for support at around $3,400. Polygon Matic has been trading inside this ascending channel right here. And during the dip, Matic plunged to the 100-day SMA at 154, but buyers stepped in and bought the dip aggressively. The 20-day EMA at 185 is sloping up and the RSI is in the positive zone, signaling advantage to buyers. If the current rebound sustains, the bulls will again attempt to thrust the price above the resistance line. Alternatively, a break and close below the 50-day SMA at 176 could pull the price to the 100-day SMA. So same thing here, look for a close as far as daily close. If you're above the 20-day at 185, we're heading up. However, if we break below the 50-day at 176, we can go all the way down to the 100-day, which is right now is 100-day coming at 170. So look for these levels. If we close above, we're going up, and if we close below the 50-day, then we can head down to the 100-day. Same thing with Algorand. We had support at $1.50 for December 4th, but the bulls bought the dip. As far as Algorand, for this trend line here on the daily chart, if we can get a close above this, chances are we can go all the way up to 230 and to 250. This resistance right now is sitting at around $2. It is, however, coming down. So in the next week, if we can get anywhere above $1.95 to $2, there is a bullish scenario for us to go all the way up to 250. On the other hand, if we have a daily close below 150, that would be our bearish scenario. So we can see as low as 80 cents based on this article. So Elrond had a sharp rally from 287 on November 17th to the all-time high of 544 on November 31st. Pushed the RSI deep into the overbought zone. Vertical rallies are generally followed by waterfall declines, and that is what happened in the past few days. So as you guys can see, in December the RSI shoots up, and then we had a dump below from there. So pretty much every pump is followed with a big dump. That is always the case, and every dump is followed by a nice pump. Eagle pair turned down from all-time high and plunged to 224 on December 4th, completing 100% retracement of the latest leg of the rally. Here, if we can get above the 50-day SMA at 324, then we have a chance of shooting up, going to the 20-day EMA at $364. Or if we close below the 100-day SMA at $271, then we can see downside as low as 200 bucks for Elrond. And you can see all these SMAs and EMAs here for the daily candles. So for this one, again, look if we can close above 324, or if we go and close below 271. Those are the magic numbers. Alright guys, so for our NFT pick today, we're not going to spend a lot of time because the video is kind of getting longer than what I wanted. But very quick, I'm going to go over land NFT, specifically Sandbox Land. We have an article saying the metaverse land grab is here, should you move in. More than 100 million was spent on a virtual land this week. The metaverse is coming, whether you want it to go there or not. So this land plot was actually purchased right next to Snoop Dogg's land. If you look at metaverse and look at Sandbox's map here, as you can see, they opened a bunch of plots right next to Snoop Dogg's mansion. This huge piece of land here is for Snoop Dogg, and one of these plots sold for more than 100 million, which is just insane. If you guys want to buy land, obviously very easy. Jump on OpenSea, go to Sandbox, put in filters, land, and then bought in ETH. As of right now, your floor price is looking at 3.1. A lot of these lands, based on where they are selling for crazy amounts. So if you guys have about 3 Ethereum right now, which is priced at about 12 grand, definitely recommend it to buy one of these. Not financial advice, do your own research guys, but if you want to buy land in the metaverse, Sandbox, in my view, should be your first pick. Thank you guys very much for watching the video. Hopefully you get some value out of it and learn some stuff. And using those TAs on daily moving averages, you can trade some good stuff with coins, specifically those 5 coins that we went over. Please make sure to like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel so we can promote this together and get more people into crypto and NFTs. The more people getting in, it's going to be better for all of us. It's going to be more profitable for everyone else, and well, we're going to be helping everyone reach financial freedom. Until next video, have a good one.